let's see the grammatical structure. Here they have given sentences. Yes. What are sentences, children? When we put words in correct and meaningful order, it makes sentence. Yes. So we have to make, if we have to make sentence, we have to use meaningful words and we have to use correct words to make a sentence. So let's see with the example. If I give one example, you will understand. Likes to play with Ram football. Can you understand the meaning of this sentence? No, even I don't know. No, its meaning is not so clear to understand. Now, shall we make the sentence correct? Yes. Ram likes to play football. Now, did you understand? Yes, see, this is the magic of sentence. If they give here and there, if we speak here and there, nobody will understand. Yeah. If we speak correctly, definitely everyone will understand. So, these are called as sentences. And now, based on these sentences, we will do some exercise. Okay, children? Let's see what is that exercise. You have to rearrange the words given in that sentences. Let's see what are those. So, now we will see what is the exercise. Okay? Make sentences using jumbled words. Start each sentence with capital letter and add full stop at the end. For making sentence, this is very necessary. You should start the sentence with capital letter and you should end the sentence with full stop. So, let's see what are the examples, and we need to arrange with capital letter. Even at last we have to give the full stop also. So, what is the first one is mangoes likes eat to bean. Mangoes likes eat to Ben. So, do you understand this sentence? Did you understand? No, I also did not. But if we rearrange this, we can understand it better. Now, Ben likes to eat mangoes. Yes, the correct sentence should be Ben likes to eat mangoes. The second one is I bit a 2, I am naughty. No meaning. Yes. So what we have to do? I am a bit naughty too. Yes, I am a bit naughty too. I should be capital. After TOO2, there should be full stop. Next one, I water, save always. Yeah. Is it correct sentence? No. What you should say? I always save water. Yes, children, I always save water. I should be capital. After water, you should give full stop. Water drink I from bottle mine. Next sentence is water drink I from bottle mine. Shall we make it correct? I drink water from my bottle. Yes, I should be capital and after bottle there should be full stop. Now next sentence is the jungle lions, they live in. The jungle lions, they live in. Is it correct? No. So we will make it correct. Lions live in the jungle. Yes. So L should be capital and after jungle you should give even full stop. So after this we have a small exercise that is called as let's listen. You should listen to your teacher, what she will speak, and you should name the things. It is like a game and you should mark them, the scenes in the picture. Okay? Let's do that exercise, children. So, let's listen is the activity. Now your teacher will speak. Speak out some of the following names of the things, and you should mark them in the scene of the picture given below. So what are some of the words are given here, and below that even you have pictures. First word is fan. You can see the fan in the picture. Second word is lamp. You can see even lamp. So you have to mark where is lamp. Sofa. So you have to mark where is sofa. The next word is trophy. Where is trophy? Yes. Next word is cushion. So where are cushions? You should see and mark in your picture. Telephone. Where is telephone kept in the picture? So you should see and even mark that. Yeah. Books on the table. So where are the books? You should find out where are the books and even mark for that. Curtains. Where are the curtains? You should see in the picture again, search in the picture and mark it down. Wall clock. Again go to the picture, you will find the wall clock. Fruits. Again you can go through the picture and see where the fruits kept. Now the next is vase. Vase is nothing but where we keep flowers. So that pot is called as vase. So where it is kept, you can just search in the picture and do this activity as a homework. And apart from that, children, you have a workbook with you. So I want you to do complete homework. Okay? And even if you do the homework, you will be having an online test. Then children, I hope you have understood all the things and let's do your homework. Till then, goodbye. I will see you in the next lesson.